Hey Porsche collectors! Today we are going to witness the stunning restoration of a 1959 Porsche 356 Convertible D. This beauty is one of only 1,331 ever made, and what we did to it is nothing short of a time-traveling miracle. When it first rolled into our shop, it sported a tired red paint job and a black vinyl interior. Not bad, but definitely not its original glory. After scouring through Porsche's old factory records, we discovered its true identity: a sleek ivory exterior with a rich red leather interior. The owner was thrilled, and so were we. Time to bring this classic back to its original splendor. First up, we began with a full disassembly. Piece by piece, we took it apart and sent it for media blasting. What we uncovered was eye-opening: rust and some old damage. No worries though. We replaced the damaged sections with new custom-fit panels, ensuring every inch was as solid as the day it left the factory. Next, we got into the intricate bodywork. Using lead filler on all body seams, just like they did back in '59, we made sure the finish would be smooth and authentic. After that came the priming and sanding, carefully and precisely until perfection was achieved. Finally, we applied that luscious factory-original ivory paint. Let me tell you, it was a sight to behold. While the body was getting all that precision metal work, our engine and transmission experts were hard at work, rebuilding everything to factory specs, ensuring this Porsche would run as well as it looked. Meanwhile, our interior team was busy crafting a new red leather interior, matching the exact sheen and texture from 1959. And to top it all off, we handcrafted a brand new convertible top. Talk about attention to detail. With everything restored, it was time for reassembly. Piece by piece, we put the Porsche back together, polishing and detailing every corner. And of course, we test drove it extensively, fine-tuning every detail to make sure it performed as beautifully as it looked. The final result? A breathtaking, factory-correct 1959 Porsche 356 Convertible D, ready to hit the open road and turn heads. The owner couldn't have been happier. If you've got a classic car and you're dreaming of a perfect restoration, contact Farland Classic Restoration today. Let us bring your timeless beauty back to life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more full restorations. Check out our website farlandcars.com or give us a call at 303-761-1245.